Hi everyone, welcome back to Ethnic Nature. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I actually apply my other types of clay. It is all through the different types of herbs that I put on my hair, the regimen that I have come up with. Okay, so I want you guys to sit back. Let's have a discussion. Let me share with you how you can actually grow your natural hair and enjoy the length and enjoy the thickness, but the things that you guys need to start doing, and I'm here to help you guys to start doing some of those things with your natural hair. Okay, so I'm starting off with the freshly washed hair. And so what I normally do is I'll wash my hair. So this is all freshly washed hair. I've removed all the dirt that my hair had for the last week and a half. So my wash days really depend. So it depends on what I'm actually doing during that month or during that week. If I'm absolutely busy, right, I do not wash my hair. But I will never allow my hair to go through more than 2 weeks without washing it. And that is the key to my growth. That is the key to me having a healthy scalp. Okay, so I always try and at least wash my hair once a week or after every 2 weeks. Okay, right. So after I finish washing my hair, the first thing that I do is that I'm going to partition my hair into 5 sections. And today, guys, I've got an exciting ingredient that I'm actually going to be putting on my hair after I've washed it. Okay, so today, guys, I am putting in my calcium and my Kaolin clay. All right, so this is another form of ingredient that I use on my natural hair. All right, so I'm going to be applying this on my hair. And yeah, let's begin. Okay, so as I said to you guys, this is my hair. Oh my goodness. So I'm actually thinking that maybe one of these good days I'm actually going to do I'm going to try and straighten it. I am not 100% sure and confident that I actually want to straighten my hair, but I'd love to see the length. Okay, so I'm going to be doing that very soon. Right. Okay, so the first thing that I say to you guys is I'm going to be partitioning my hair. So I always start with partitioning of my hair into easy sections. Now, it's very important, guys, that you partition your hair. I always use my fingers. One of the things that I'm going to be sharing with you guys that I have used over the last 2 years to grow my natural hair is I use my hands. My hands are my best friend. Okay, so this is what has grown my hair. So if you look at my previous videos, you will see how my hair has thickened over the last couple of months. Okay, right, and then I take my hair clip and I put it on. So this is what I'm going to be doing, guys. I'm going to be partitioning my hair into sections to make it easier for me to apply my ingredients. Okay, Guys, I will share with you that, you know, it hasn't been very easy to grow my hair. Okay, I lost a lot of my hair when I was relaxed, and I decided, you know, why don't I just go natural? And I might say this is all due thanks to my beautiful daughter, who encouraged me and said, Mom, why don't we just go natural? You know, our hair will actually grow more. All right, so I partition my hair into sections like so. Okay. Okay, so my hair is now partitioned, right? So the first thing that I do, guys, when my hair is partitioned like this, right, is I ensure that when I apply my clays, I don't just take you know, a lump sum and just put it over a bunch of hair. I like making sure that each section is properly covered in the clay so that it is highly effective. The whole point of you going through this process is to ensure that you clarify your scalp, right? You moisturize, you condition, and this is what these clays will do for your hair. So I ensure that I've gone in with my clays from the scalp to the hair, to the roots of the hair, and to the ends of the hair. So to make sure that my hair is getting all the beautiful ingredients. Okay, so here we go. All right, so what I'm going to do, guys, is that I'm going to start with a section in front, right? Just so that you guys can see how I actually apply it whilst we're discussing, and then I will then do the rest of my hair so that I move a little bit faster, because the process can be a bit slow because I like making sure that my hair is always properly covered. Okay, so here goes. So what we'll do is that we will loosen one section, right? We'll just take off. Guys, my hair has really grown, and if it wasn't for this kind of treatments that I do for my hair, I wouldn't have been able to experience this kind of growth. Okay, so I want to encourage you, don't lose heart. If your hair is not growing, I want you to start looking for ingredients and also come up with a regimen that will make sense for you, right? But I want to encourage you, all the ingredients that I've been using on my hair and all the ingredients that you'll see me using on my channel, it is what has contributed to my hair and growing to this kind of length. Okay, all right, so here goes. Okay, so the first thing that we do, guys, is that I just make sure, because my hair is freshly washed, so before I put in the ingredient, I just make sure that it's all nicely detangled, and I use my fingers, as I say to you. Okay, so first what we do is we take our clay, right? As I say to you, I apply my clay to the roots. First is the scalp, which also needs all the goodness that comes from this. Calcium clay, sodium bentonite clay, or any form of clay will have massive results for your hair, right? So these clays, sorry guys, use these clays, right, for your hair, and you'll see your hair grow. Okay, all right, so Okay, so now guys, my hair is now fully saturated in the clay, right? So the next thing that I then do, now I've finished and I need to leave my clay in my hair for at least an hour to about 2-3 hours. It doesn't do anything to your hair. Do not worry about it. Clay does nothing to your hair. It doesn't destroy your hair. It's got nothing, no chemicals, no nothing that can destroy your hair, okay? I'm a living testimony, and I have been looking at different herbs and clays that one can use on their hair to grow our natural hair. And these are the things that I've been doing to grow my hair to this length, okay? So I want to encourage you, use these clays, right? Use them. They're absolutely amazing, right? And you will see a huge difference in the texture of your hair and in the quality of your hair, okay? So the next thing that I then do, because I'm now preparing it so that I can cover it up, okay? So I'll just put some more, the remainder of the clay. I always have some that is left behind, and I use it on my face, okay? So what I'm now going to be doing is taking the remainder of the clay, and then I'll take the remainder of the clay, rub it onto my hands like so, okay? And then apply it to the rest of my hair, okay? Take my hair and then just put it onto the top, okay? Okay. This mixture is absolutely amazing for your hair. If you're trying to bring back the curls, you're trying to treat your scalp, if you've got that itchy scalp, oh, this is so amazing. I can actually feel, you know, the apple cider vinegar and the clays all mixed together doing something to my hair already. I can feel, you know, just my hair is not itching anymore. I also do have itchy hair, but since I've started ensuring that I put my clay first, okay? I wash my hair and then I put in my clay. It's amazing, okay? Right, so, right, okay. So I will see you in the next video after I've washed my hair, as I put in my deep conditioner. So I first clarify my hair, and I use different clays, and this is one of my different clays that I use, okay? So in my next video, I will show you guys how I do my deep conditioning, okay? So see you later, guys. Bye.